My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Hello, and welcome to Fox Gadget. Get ready to challenge everything you thought about tools. In this video, we're bringing you 27 tools so amazing you'll probably want to add them to your collection. Most of the items you'll see today will surprise you, but it's up to you to decide which ones are the most useful. So, get comfortable, because we're getting started. Meetmo Grip. Forget adjustable wrenches that waste your time with endless twisting and readjusting. The Meetmo Grip is the ultimate tool for gripping, adjusting, and screwing in a single motion. Its sliding design lets you open and close the jaws in seconds, locking securely for a firm, precise grip. Compact, solid, and with a reassuring weight in your hand, it's ready for any task. Need to hold a screw, adjust a nut, or open a box? The Meetmo Grip does it all, and it even includes a standard 1/4 inch bit holder for added versatility. As you can see, using it isn't just practical, it's oddly satisfying. From the first slide, you'll feel this tool is different. Its price? $148. Twist 2.0 Screwdriver. The rechargeable skill, Twist 2.0 Screwdriver is the perfect ergonomic tool for quick jobs and repairs in tight spaces. With a pivoting head that locks in 3 positions, 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, you can reach those hard-to-access spots effortlessly, ideal for furniture assembly or repairs in awkward spaces. This electric screwdriver has 3 torque settings you can easily adjust as needed, giving you greater control for every task. The trigger button is perfectly placed for one-finger use. And if you're working in low-light conditions, no worries. Its bright LED light illuminates the work area so you don't miss a detail. Its price is $27. Ryobi Electric File. The cordless 18-volt Ryobi electric file is the tool every DIY enthusiast needs. There are always hard-to-reach spots or complex shapes that need sanding or filing. This model is perfect for that. Its cordless flexibility lets you work without restrictions, quickly removing materials like wood, paint, rust, and more. With an incredible speed of up to 630 meters per minute, you can sand and shape all kinds of materials, from wood and metal to tiles. Plus, its variable speed control gives you total precision for every task. And for added convenience, belt changes and adjustments are tool-free, using just a lever and adjustment wheel. This electric file is priced at $136. CC2in1 Chainsaw. The CC2in1 is an 8-inch cordless pole chainsaw that easily converts into a handheld chainsaw or pole saw, offering exceptional versatility. The extendable pole adjusts from 6 to 10 feet, allowing you to reach up to 16 feet high, eliminating the need for unstable ladders and ensuring safety and comfort while pruning from the ground. With the CC pole saw, you can cut thick branches with ease and precision. Plus, thanks to its two 21-volt, 4,000 mAh lithium batteries, you get double the runtime. Each battery lasts up to 50 minutes, letting you tackle cutting tasks without interruptions. Its price? $100. Outland Equipment 1501. The Outland Equipment 1501 isn't just an axe. It's the Swiss Army knife of axes. This beast does it all. Chops, hammers, prees, adjusts nuts, and even cuts seatbelts. Basically, if the apocalypse comes, this is the tool you want in your hands. Made from a single, virtually indestructible piece of S7 steel with 15 and 17-inch options, it's the perfect size for any mission. Whether you're a rescuer, an adventurer, or just someone who wants to be prepared for anything, this axe has your back. Its price? $400. What do you think? Heated Jacket Kit. If you've ever dreamed of being impervious to the cold, the M12 Heated Jacket Kit is as close as you'll get. With heating zones in the chest, back, shoulders, and pockets, this jacket turns winter into a mere cool breeze, letting you work without a hitch. Thanks to its carbon fiber elements, heat is distributed evenly, and you can adjust the temperature across 3 levels depending on the weather. Best of all, it runs for up to 8 hours on a 3-amp-hour M12 battery, so you're unlikely to get cold halfway through your tasks. Made of 90% polyester and 10% elastane, it's lightweight, comfortable, and tough enough to withstand water and wind for any adventure. Plus, its free-flex mobility design means moving in it is as easy as feeling the warmth on your back, hassle-free. Its price? $70. What do you think? Works SD Screwdriver. If there's one tool that saves you in any job, it's the Works SD Screwdriver. Small, powerful, and USB rechargeable, it's always ready for action, from assembling furniture to precision adjustments. This cordless screwdriver makes work faster and effortless. Its high-performance electric motor delivers strong vibration and precise control, ideal for repairs, assemblies, and DIY projects. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, secure grip, while its protective cover prevents accidents. It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for keeping on hand in any situation. And with its adjustable ratchet head, it adapts to different screw sizes, letting you work in tight spaces with ease. Its price? $46? DeWalt Impact Cutter. Tired of cutting PVC by hand and wasting time? This cutter, 6 times faster than manual models, lets you maximize productivity without the fatigue of traditional tools. Its quick change mount makes it easy to switch between cutting pipes and driving screws. Plus, with a cutting capacity of up to 1 inch, it's perfect for residential and commercial jobs. Its ultra-sharp blade ensures clean, efficient cuts on materials like copper and PVC. Exceptional maneuverability, thanks to its 360-degree rotation, lets you cut at tricky angles without difficulty. Its price? $146. E-Tape 16. The E-Tape 16 digital tape measure takes precision and convenience to another level, becoming an essential tool for both residential and commercial projects. Its digital display makes reading exact measurements easy, eliminating errors and saving time. Made from weather-resistant polycarbonate plastic, it's durable enough for daily use. With 3 memory functions and a side-button wheel, you can record multiple measurements without manual notes. Plus, its automatic unit conversion between imperial and metric systems simplifies any measuring task. With a bright red design for easy spotting, this tape measure is the perfect blend of innovation and functionality. Its price? $64. Electric Car Jack. The CC2in1 electric hydraulic jack is the ultimate tool for changing tires quickly and effortlessly. With a robust, high-quality steel construction, it can lift up to 5 tons, making it ideal for SUVs and trucks. Its electric system allows fast lifting from 6 to 17 inches, eliminating manual effort. The kit includes an electric impact wrench for easy nut removal and tightening, as well as a tire inflator to maintain proper pressure anytime. Its portable design makes it a must-have for any driver, providing a complete solution for roadside emergencies. Its price? $120. Style GTA 26. Cutting wood with one hand and no effort? It's possible with the Style GTA 26 Mini Chainsaw. With its powerful battery and 1/4-inch chain, this little beast cuts branches, shrubs, and wood like butter. Its non-slip handle gives you total control, while the flexible guard keeps your hands safe. It's not just for pruning. You can unleash your creative side and build anything from a rustic coffee table to a branch lamp. It lasts long enough to complete your projects without interruptions. And if you have other compatible STIHL equipment, you can share its battery. Its price? $134. NoCry Professional Knee Pads. NoCry Professional Knee Pads offer maximum protection and comfort for demanding jobs. With high-density EVA foam padding and a thick gel layer, they provide exceptional joint support, making kneeling as comfortable as resting on pillows. Made with breathable 600D polyester mesh, they keep you cool and prevent heat buildup. Their military-grade rivets and adjustable straps ensure stability and a secure fit, evenly distributing pressure. Ideal for construction, gardening, and heavy-duty tasks, these knee pads offer superior durability and protection for $38. Greenworks PRO. The cordless Greenworks PRO backpack blower is the ideal tool for keeping your yard spotless with power and comfort. With speeds up to 180 miles per hour and an airflow of 610 cubic feet per minute, it effortlessly clears wet or dry leaves and debris. Its 80-volt, 2.5 amp-hour battery provides up to 13 minutes of continuous high-speed operation and recharges in just 45 minutes with the included fast charger. Designed for yards up to 4,000 square meters, this blower features a brushless motor for more torque, longer runtime, and greater durability. Its variable speed control with trigger activation and turbo button lets you adjust power as needed. This blower is available for $459. NoCry Gloves. NoCry cut-resistant gloves offer maximum protection without sacrificing comfort or dexterity. Made from a material stronger than steel, they provide superior protection and meet ANSI 10526 certification, ensuring safety with every use. Their ambidextrous, lightweight design allows exceptional mobility, ideal for precision tasks like cutting vegetables, shucking oysters, or handling sharp tools. Their superior grip prevents slips, providing greater control. Machine washable, they're easy to maintain, ensuring hygiene in kitchen or work environments. Their price, $18. Hotell Log Peeler. The Hotell Log Peeler is the ideal accessory to turn your chainsaw into a powerful wood processing tool. Compatible with most 65cc chainsaws using 325 and 3/8 pitch chains, this second-generation peeler has been upgraded with a titanium-rich aluminum alloy, making it stronger and lighter. Designed for loggers, home builders, farmers, and ranchers, this tool makes peeling wood, isolating knots, and making precise notches a breeze. Its two high-strength sharp blades can cut even the hardest woods, and it includes 4 spare blades for long-lasting use. Its price? $150. Works Chainsaw. The Works Lithium Cordless Chainsaw is a versatile, safe tool designed to make woodcutting easier and more efficient. Its 2-in-1 design combines a reciprocating saw and jigsaw with a variable speed motor, letting you adjust power based on the cut. Its auto-tension technology ensures the chain is always properly adjusted for optimal performance, and its full safety guard makes it the only chainsaw designed to cut directly on the ground without risking chain damage. Its price? $240. Sharp MK2. Sharpening knives with a stone can be a mess. You end up tired, and the edge is still dull. But with the Sharp MK2, that's over. This sharpener restores any blade or tool's edge effortlessly. Its abrasive belts adapt to everything: kitchen knives, pocket knives, scissors, axes, and even lawnmower blades. Its adjustable guides ensure perfect sharpening with no margin for error. It has the power to restore worn tools and the precision for quick touch-ups. If you hate dull knives, the MK2 is the solution. Its price, $129. Digile Laser G40. If you need absolute precision in your measurements, the Digile Laser G40 is your best ally. This digital level not only aligns perfectly horizontally and vertically, but also transfers angles with ease. Its green line laser projects a clear, sharp reference for perfect alignment on any surface. The tiltable display lets you read values from any angle, and its 3-tone acoustic guide makes work easier without needing to look at the screen. Its magnetic mount gives you the advantage of hands-free work on metal structures. Built with an ultra-strong aluminum profile and milled measuring surfaces, the Digile ensures permanent precision thanks to its reverse measurement calibration. Whether leveling slopes, transferring angles, or working in tight spaces, this digital level makes the job fast, easy, and exact. Its price? $92. Brush Grubber. The brush grubber is the ideal tool for removing weeds and small trees by the roots effortlessly. With its manual 5-tooth gripping design and spring-loaded jaws, it offers a secure hold that tightens as you pull, ensuring a firm grip. Made from durable 1.5-inch steel, this weeder is built for heavy-duty tasks. Its reinforced leverage system makes root extraction easy without shovels or chains. With the ability to uproot plants up to 8 inches in diameter, it's perfect for keeping spaces clear of unwanted vegetation and preventing regrowth. Its price? $70. Gearvors Nail Gun. If you need to fasten structures to concrete, metal, or masonry effortlessly, the Gearvors Steel Nail Gun is the perfect tool. With adjustable 5-speed force and powerful penetration, it makes work easy and efficient, saving time and energy. Unlike other nail guns, it features a noise reduction cover that minimizes sound without compromising power. Its automatic slag discharge system removes debris and heat, keeping the machine clean and safe. It includes a wide range of accessories like safety goggles, gloves, earplugs, nails, and more, all for $17. Lockjaw. Climbing a ladder always carries a risk, but with the Lockjaw, safety is guaranteed. This innovative fastening device keeps the ladder firm and stable, meeting the strictest safety standards. Its locking jaw design attaches to the gutter in just 5 seconds, preventing slips and ensuring total stability while you work. Whether cleaning gutters, painting, or making repairs at height, This tool gives you the confidence that your ladder will stay in place. Its price? $129. And dear friends, with these gadgets, we've reached the end of this video, which I hope you've thoroughly enjoyed. I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.